Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosaria Permata Hati and I'm going to talk about garbage pollution. Garbage pollution is a global problem. We produce so many products and throw out so much every day that garbage and waste disposal is turning into a major ecological nightmare. Garbage pollution caused by the mismanagement of solid waste from human and their activity, waste collector and waste disposal contractors. The effect of this type of pollution is the spread of harmful bacteria in the surroundings, as well as obnoxious odors which will also end up as air pollution. The water will also get contaminated, which also will transmit parasites and bacteria to humans. Around the world, paper, cans, glass jars, plastic products, and junket cars and planes mar the landscape. Litter makes it difficult for plants and other producers in the food web to create nutrition. Animals can die if they mistakenly eat plastic. Garbage often contains dangerous pollutants such as oils, chemicals, and ink. These pollutants can leach into the soil and harm plants, animals, and people. Inefficient garbage collection systems contribute to land pollution. Often, the garbage is picked up and brought a dump or landfill. Garbage is buried in landfills. Sometimes, communities produce so much garbage that their landfills are filling up. They are running out of place to dump their trash. Inefficient garbage collection systems contribute to land pollution. Often, the garbage is picked up and brought to a dump or landfill. Garbage is buried in landfills. Sometimes, communities produce so much garbage that their landfills are filling up. They are running out of place to dump their trash. The world over, governments, local bodies, and citizens are taking separating garbage very seriously, and there are multiple programs that recycle and reuse. The behavior of generating garbage is too dangerous not only for today's generation, but also for future generations. It is critical to educate people and encourage them to practice recycle, reuse, and reduce instead of producing waste. Waste disposal should be a priority for governments. Human health is at risk through our inaction. We keep producing large amounts of trash. We do not dispose of it correctly, and at the end that we build our downfall, a disease for the environment and wildlife in the ecosystem we all share. We cannot prevent or promote longevity with how we treat our earth. The more emissions that we produce due to how much trash we generate affects us long term. One can develop diseases such as asthma, birth defects, cancer, childhood cancer, infectious disease, low birth weight, and preterm delivery. Bacteria, vermin, and insects can also be added to the problem that trash causes.